thanks for joining me. My name is ShanaJRaymore. I have this really handy flashlight looking item. This is actually a great emergency kit situation for your car. Power bank, pluggable USB plug option. This has the little hammer to break the glass if you're inside the car in a emergency. It even has the little cutting piece right here where you can cut the seat belt then you're in the car. It does have magnets right here, so it can magnetize any surface. You can pick up things with this magnet. It does have a SOS light on the side and a siren. It does have the charger and the USB input right here, so you can actually charge your phones and different devices, and you can charge it through the cord through here, or you have another option of the crank. So this is really convenient if you're out of power and you just need to get your phone and things like that charged up. And then it has the flashlight light right there. Super convenient, small, compact. You keep this in your glove box, in your trunk, underneath the seat, readily accessible.